Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. Hello, my dear audience. I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is the morning time. Everybody, you can see there is a lot of fog around of me. From today, I have decided I have to make video a lot of. As a Bengali, I have to make video every day because you know that we are Bengali. So as a Bengali, if we want make video, if you want practice a lot of, so it's not possible for as a fluency speaker. So if you want a fluency speaker, so you have to make video, you have to practice a lot of. But whenever we'll think, I have to make video every day and one day I will be a fluency speaker. But that's it. But you won't try to make video, you won't try to practice a lot of. Why? After think you didn't, but you don't do this. Why? Because you're shameless. That time you think, if I will make video in English, so that time if I will any type of mistake in this video, so that time maybe someone or some person, they will criticize me, they will backbind me. So that time I feel shy. So it is a big problem for us because you know that whenever we are a student class 1 to 12, not varsity life, I suggest primary life, high school life, and college life. That time, this type of teaching system it was not good for us. That's why for now this time we are not capable for speaking English. So as a Bengali, it is a very difficult to us. For example, in this video, from start to now at this time, I have talked too much about in English in this video. So there is any type of mistake. So someone will try to be criticize me. It doesn't matter. No need to focus this way. Okay, you have to focus on yourself and you have to try to make video because they know about it. They are not capable speaking English. They are not good at speaking English. So we should mind it and we should carry on ourselves. So thank you for listening.